everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a dahlia flower, and I want to create it by doing a spoon swipe. So I'm using a nice petrol color from Bleiswijck as my base, just mixed with some water. So let me spread that out. So I got my base all done. Now it's time to find the center. And I forgot to bring a piece of string. Hold on. Couldn't find my string, but I got a ruler, so let's use that. And let's just tap it down from corner to corner. And there we have a center. Clean it off, because that blue paint really stains. So, and let's start, I think you start on the outside. And I've got my IKEA paints. I'm running almost out. These are mixed, I have no idea with what, but let's just start by making some puddles and using those lines as guides. Let's see, I think a flower needs a little bit more petals. I've never done this before, so I don't know if this is going to be enough petals or if I have to go and do more, but let's just start with these. So this is my purple. Let's do some blue on top of that. Okay, that's the blue. A little bit of pink. And let's add a little tiny bit of gold. Ooh, it might be a little bit thin. Just a tiny bit of the gold. Okay, that's looking good. Torch those bubbles just in case. And let's try and swipe these. Okay. I'm like debating using a bigger spoon or this way or that way. Let's try it this way first. Get a paper towel ready. Let's try this side. Oh, that looks a little bit better. Probably should put it on my spinner. It's pretty hard actually. I thought it would be a little bit easier. But knowing how hard to press is quite difficult actually. You're wasting quite a bit of paint if you're pressing too hard. It's looking nice. So let's do another set. Maybe start with the pink first. And go in between. And maybe do the gold next. And some blue. And I think I'm going to leave the purple out of this round. So let's try this again. Okay, putting it on a spinner might help. So let's do some more. Okay, that's cute. I thought let's just do some double bottles. And let's finish this off with a little bit of a swirl in the center. I'm pretty happy with this. There's a lot of paint on it, so it might need a little bit of time to dry. I think it's fun, it's easy. Well, once you get the hang of it, I think you need a little bit bigger puddles, and then you probably have an easier time. So let's see how this one dries. I'll show you the final result. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone!